Welcome guys, so today I am with Amazfit PowerBuds and I'm going to show you how you can customize gesture settings. So the first, you have to be connected with the Zev application that you can get from the App Store, Play Store or App Gallery. Next you have to log in with this application and finally go for the profile. You have to select your PowerBuds from My Devices list. Next go for the gesture settings, and as you can see we got left and the right earbud, and also we got two methods. We can tap twice, tap 3 times for each earbud. So currently we enable the through mode on tap twice feature. When you tap, you can select that, for example, you can go for the previous song, for the next one. You can also wake up the voice assistant, but also we can disable this option. So we can make the same for the right. So right now when you double tap, you are not going to switch between the noise cancellation mode and ambient sound. And there's also the tap 3 times. So right here we can, for example, pick the next song. On the left we can go for the previous song, and that's how you can customize this feature. You can also reset by tapping to the default, and as you can see, that's how easily we can restore the previous settings. So after that you can just simply go back, and that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.